Crash Course on Spanish Sports, a look at Spain's love affair with sports, including football, soccer, basketball, and bullfighting. Certainly, here is a crash course on Spanish sports. Spain has a deep love affair with sports, with football, soccer, being the most popular by far. The country has a long and storied history in the sport, with some of the world's most famous teams, including Real Madrid and Barcelona, hailing from Spain. The Spanish national team has also had a great deal of success on the international stage, winning the World Cup in 2010 and the European Championships in 1964, 2008, and 2012. In addition to football, basketball is also hugely popular in Spain. The country has a strong professional league, the Liga ACB, which has produced some of the best basketball players in the world, including Pau Gasol and his younger brother Marc Gasol. Spanish basketball fans are known for their passionate support of their teams and players, making it a thrilling experience to attend a game. Another traditional Spanish sport that has garnered international attention is bullfighting. While it has been controversial in recent years, it remains a significant part of Spanish cultural heritage. Bullfighting is an art form that requires tremendous skill and bravery, and is a spectacle that should be seen at least once in a lifetime. But Spain's love for sports goes beyond just these three. Here are the top 12 popular Spanish sports: football, soccer, basketball, tennis, bullfighting, handball, cycling, motorsports, skiing, athletics, water sports, swimming, diving, water polo, golf, paddle tennis. Football, basketball, and tennis are the most popular sports in Spain, with bullfighting coming in fourth. Handball, cycling, and motorsports are also widely followed, with Spain being a major force in the sport of cycling. The country has produced some of the world's best cyclists, including 5-time Grand Tour winner Miguel Indurain and 2-time Tour de France winner Alberto Contador. Spanish athletes have also had success in skiing, with medalists at the Winter Olympics and World Championships. In conclusion, sports are an essential part of Spanish culture and society, with football, basketball, and bullfighting being the most well-known. However, the country also has a strong presence in other sports, including cycling, skiing, and motorsports. The passion and enthusiasm of Spanish sports fans are sure to make any sporting event an unforgettable experience. As for a poem, Spain, a land of passion and zeal, where sports are more than just a game. From football to bullfighting, it's all real. And every victory a cause for acclaim. The football pitch is where Spain reigns, with players who dazzle and amaze. Their skill and grace are without chains, and their victories forever blaze. But basketball is also a passion here, where Gasol and others have shone. With the passion of the fans so near, the court is where Spain has grown. And let's not forget bullfighting, a tradition that still holds strong. The bravery of the matadors sing, as the crowd cheers with song. From cycling to skiing, Spain has it all, with athletes who are second to none. Their triumphs forever will enthrall, and Spain's sporting legacy will go on. And as for a song, verse 1. From the streets of Barcelona to the beaches of Madrid, they play with passion, heart, and grit. Their love for football, it never fades. Their skills on the pitch, they amaze. Chorus. Spanish sports, a fiery display, where legends are made, and records are set. From football to bullfighting, they play, with heart and soul, never to forget. Verse 2. Basketball is in their blood, with Pau Gasol and his brotherhood. They dribble, shoot, and score, making their fans scream for more. Chorus. Spanish sports, a fiery display, where legends are made, and records are set. From football to bullfighting, they play, with heart and soul, never to forget. Bridge. And who can forget the bullfighting ring, where toreros face their fears with a swing. The crowd roars as the bull charges. In this ancient sport, they test their courage. Chorus. Spanish sports, a fiery display, where legends are made, and records are set. From football to bullfighting, they play, with heart and soul, never to forget. Outro. Spanish sports, a true passion, where victory is celebrated with a fashion. From the Basque country to Andalusia, their love for sports, it never dies. ****, we hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Spain has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Spain, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, AnHub Metaverse team.